welcome to a screen. Today I just show the applications of the fuel center like a petrol pump. So how could a billing system of a petrol pump and manage of it? Okay, so without wasting your time, now we have to start it. Firstly, I just log in admin panel. This is a dashboard for a fuel center. 4 fuel report will be generated. Now we have to come to a bill system. This is a simple system and very reliable to have to available. Now we have to entering FPID, nozzle number, vehicle number, like FPID for 24, nozzle number 3, vehicle number WP, fuel center like petrol, density 45. Rate 95.3. Sale means petrol rate is 9.3 today rate, because petrol rate will be variable for all frequent days, so it can be managed for difficulty. So that's why I just entering the rate. And the sales means 200 300 amount of petrol, so I just spent for a 200. So volume means 2.10 petrol will be provided us and submitted for thank you for, and these types of bill will we have to generate. Now we have to print out in your pages or printing machines. Okay, all the time we have to provide it us, and it will be also manage the data. All data available on here. You can see for viewers and delete us. If I can manage filter from dates or to dates, so these features also we have to available. And now in these sections we have to many more create users. You will be create us, and login details also have. If you want to edit any login details, so you can simply to use it and edit it. So this is a descriptions for a fuel center applications. Thank you for watching. See you next time.